Why did she look back? A woman and her husband were having a walk when a young lady and her son passed by. The woman suddenly looked back. Can you figure out why? Look closely at the picture to uncover the reason. Drop your guesses in the comments. Are you ready? You have just 20 seconds. The timer starts now. That's it. Time's up. But before we reveal the correct answer, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Now for the moment we've been waiting for. The woman looked back because the boy and her husband have the same nose. Did you notice the clue? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for more riddles and brain teasers.